me today for an eye surgery update and a fruit-filled late summer forest walk. Too dry for mushrooms, but there's always something to find. Morning, shroomers. I am 7 days post-op. So yeah, my eye surgery did not go as planned. I do have a new bionic eye, but doctor had to punt because my little eyeball was too tiny in there for the big wig trifocal lens. But he got one in there and I got 20/20 vision and more floaters. So I may need a second procedure for those. All right, let's put on our little clear protective goggles and get in the forest. 7 days post-op, still worrying about infection, so gotta protect those peepers. Okay, let's see what's in the woods. We're drying my spot. Oh, this is good news. I was hoping for a ton of mushrooms, but it's looking dry. It's miserably dry. Need some rain. Look how people mark these spots. We got a can and a golf ball. How pretty you are. Big old tree. Gorgeous big old tree. Well, I'm protecting my eyes, but I'm finding a whole lot of nothing in here. Here's a little fruiting body of something that definitely I don't want to eat, but none of the mushrooms I'm looking for. Dang. Gorgeous. Everything's tiny and dry. Look at this. Look at this mushroom here. Icarius. Pismacola. Pismacola. I don't know how you pronounce it. Real tiny. Couple of russulas. So here we have my favorite summer mycorrhizal host trees growing together. The pointy-leaved red oak and the rounded leaf tip white oak. Nice. Even starting to get little acorns. Small wild apple tree. Leave it for the birds. A plum tree. Lots of them on the ground. It's up there. They're way up there. More food for the birds. Can't reach. I knew they were here though. Pitiful dryness in the forest today. I missed the king bolete flush by a week. I was recovering from eye surgery. I hope you get out there soon because fall is upon us. And once it cools off, hen of the woods season begins, and I have a great tree that makes 9 or 10 of them. Join me for that. And if you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Be the shroom.